This is Mastering D3. I'm Eric Larson, and I'll be your instructor for this course. I love developing interactive visualizations for the web. I'm also a D3 enthusiast, and I'm constantly building new visualizations. I'm also a fan of React, Mongo, Node, and all things JavaScript. Here's a few things we'll learn in this course. We will review building chart functions, converting visualization examples into a more functional approach of building visualizations. We will build bar charts, pie charts, hierarchical charts. We will also review D3's enter, update, and exit pattern, which is usually thought as a very difficult part of D3. D3 version 5 introduces a great new way of using the enter, update, and exit function. We will also link visualizations and use third-party APIs. We will connect a pie chart and a bar chart so that when buttons are clicked on the screen, the pie chart and the bar chart both update and respond to show the next set of data connected to a button. We will also be building a world map and adding an interactive legend to a world map. We will make a map of the world that is zoomable, panable, has hovering interactions where the countries light up, have tooltips that show the country name and an income level, and shows a legend that is interactive where you can select part of the legend and the map reflects the selected legend section. For this course, you will need a basic understanding of HTML, of CSS, and of JavaScript. You'll need a little bit of experience using D3 and some familiarity with how SVG works in the DOM. I hope you enjoy this course. I had a great time putting it together for you.